Good morning, friends. This is Vikram Korde, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Economics, KKOP College of Agriculture, Nasik. In this online learning session, we can focus on Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. So, first see the origin of the CACP, that is Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. So, Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices is a decentralized agency of the Government of India. It was established in 1965 as the Agricultural Price Commission and was given its present name in 1985. Means CSAP earlier was a Agricultural Price Commission which was established in 1965. Then it is Agricultural Price Commission is named by CACP, that is Commission for Agriculture Cost in Price Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices in 1985. It has attached office of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. Its headquarter is at Delhi. Second is the mission of the CACP. The mission of the CACP is the commission was established to recommend minimum support price to minimum support prices for the various agricultural commodities to motivate cultivators and farmers to adopt the latest technology in order to optimize the use of resources and increase productivity. So, mission of the CSAP is mainly to recommended minimum support price for the agricultural commodities. So, see the composition of the CACP. Currently, the commission consists of a chairman, member secretary, one member is official and two members is non-official. The non-official members are representative of the farming community and usually have an active association with the farming community. These are the composition of the CACP. Currently, the chairman of CACP is Professor Vijay Paul Sharma. This name is very important because chairman of the CACP is Vijay Paul Sharma. Then recommendations. So already I tell you, CACP recommends the minimum support price. So as of now, Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices recommended minimum support price of 23 commodities, in which 7 cereals, that is paddy, wheat, maize, sorghum, pear millet, barley, and ragi. 5 pulses, that is gram, tur, moog, urad, lentil. 7 oilseeds, groundnut, rapeseed mustard, soybean, sesame, sunflower, safflower, and niger seed. And 4 commercial crops, that is copra, sugarcane, cotton, and raw jute. So CACP recommends a minimum support price for these 23 agricultural commodities. So how to calculate minimum support price or determinants of the minimum support price? So minimum support price is calculated with the help of these factors, that is demand and supply, cost of production, price trends in the market both domestic and international, intercrop price parity, terms of trade between agriculture and non-agriculture, a minimum of 50% as the margin over cost of production, and likely implications of minimum support price on consumers of that product. These are the determinants of the minimum support price. So then we focus on administered prices. So administered prices means a price that is not determined by competitive market forces but by the conspicuous act of an administrative body such as the government, a marketing board, etc. Means this price is not determined by competitive market forces, means not determined by demand and supply of that commodity but by the consequence act of the administrative body such as the government or marketing board. So administered price are of various types. First is procurement price. So procurement price is used for producers. So procurement price of a commodity refers to the price at which Government procures the commodity from producers or manufacturers for maintaining the buffer stock or the public distribution system. Usually, it is announced before harvesting of the crop. So, it is very important. So, procurement price is announced before harvesting of the crop. Second is the minimum support price. So minimum support price is announced by the government, but recommended by Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, that is CACP, and it is announced by government before sowing season. So it is the price fixed by the government that is aimed at protecting the farmers against price fall during periods of surplus production. So this is minimum support price. Third is the issue price. So it is the administered prices at which the agricultural commodities are offered to the poor sections of society through fair price shop. Issue price always remains higher than the procurement price. Fourth is the selling price. It is the maximum price laid down by government under a system of price control. So selling price is nothing but maximum price laid down, it's the upper limit of the price laid down by government under a system of price control. Fifth is the levy price. So it is a procurement system which makes it obligatory for the farmers and traders to sell a special quantity to the government at the procurement price. So it is applied for, levy price is applied for rice, wheat and sugar. So, in this lecture, we can see details about Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices, its origin, its mission, and the determinants of MSP, administered price definition, types of administrator price, that is procurement price, minimum support price, issue price, selling price, and levy price. So, thank you, friends. Thank you very much.